All right, kids, I'm going to help you out with question number 24, 9-24. They have a function that they want to put it in what is called graphing, or also commonly known as vertex form. Okay, so here's the form right here. Okay, and the book calls it locator point. It's also known as the vertex is HK. So whatever's right here is the vertex. Now, why do they call it graphing or vertex form? Because if you have it in this form, it's easy to graph, baby, and you obviously will know the vertex. So how are we going to do that? How are we going to turn this function into graphing form? Well, you guessed it, we're going to complete the square. So remember, if you take x squared, you take the function and you set it equal to 0. That's the first order of business. Now, you can't complete the square unless you got a number, or if you have any number here. So let's subtract 5 on both sides. And I bring this stuff straight down. And notice how I'm going to leave a little gap here. Why? Because it's plus something plus something. Well, what is that something? It's simple. Half of this number, half of 6 is 3, and 3 squared is 9. Well, if you put 9 here, why do you think you got that blank? Oh, that's right. You gotta put the 9 there. See, if you don't do this, a lot of times kids forget to put that 9 there. Now, this, we artificially created a perfect square. So just bring down the x, bring down the sign, and it's half of 6, which is 3, and you square it. Okay, this, if we multiply that out, you're going to get back to here. It's a perfect square. And here we have 4. So now you just bring this 4 over. See, other questions, if you had to solve, you would square root both sides and all that jazz. But we want to put it in this form right there. So you have x minus 3 squared minus 4. And guess what? F of x equals x minus 3 squared minus 4. This puppy right here is in graphing form. And take a guess. What's the vertex? 3, -4. Test it for yourself. Take a break.